Tim Bass. What type of merch you talking about, bro? Only merch I typically buy is like fishing stuff. I don't know how to get like clothes. A lot of people whenever I get clothes, they usually send me clothes. I don't really have to worry about buying fishing stuff. I got like people that send me like fishing shirts and fishing shorts and stuff like that, fishing pants. So, but we about to get up. It's 3:40. We gotta go get this little package. God, the wind is insane, man. Lights. Caught one today though. Can't complain. This wind is crazy. With that wind, get out of there. Got one. Could tell with that wind. Get up here. Could tell with that wind. Let's get him out. Got my pliers on me, so. Live bait for a while. Catching them on artificials, baby. Catching them on artificials. Hold on, we gotta get a picture. We gotta zoom in so we can get a picture of this thing. I gotta show off, man. If y'all don't know what rod I'm using, man, this is a hand and fishing M1 with a Metanium DC. Pulling them out in the wind, baby. So we know what color they want. They really on this wind blown side. I was thinking they was gonna be on that side.